Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going out with my mom for shopping, so come along and get ready with me. So I'm starting off with my skincare because good makeup always starts with good skin. Keeping it simple, fresh and glowy just how I like it. I'm really a camera shy person, but then because of your love and support, I'm building up some confidence. So thank you so much everyone. Please keep on supporting me, and if you haven't subscribed it yet, then please subscribe to my channel. Now for makeup, nothing too heavy today, just a little mascara and you look at the difference. It's crazy how such a small step changes everything. And for lips, I'm going in with my favorite 3 lip tint combo. Lastly, setting spray so that my makeup will last for the whole day. Alright, fit check, keeping it comfy but cute because we're going for shopping. Now we're here at the salon and my mom is about to cut her hair. I'm honestly so excited to see the transformation. And this is the final look. She looks so beautiful. So I went to check out these viral bangles everyone's been talking about, and you won't believe they're actually so pretty. I could not resist my craving, so I packed some cholebhature because honestly no shopping day is complete without good food. Now I'm back home and it's finally time to eat with mom. There's just something so comforting about sharing food together after a long day. As I'm growing up, mom is more like a best friend to me. I prefer hanging out with her more. I share her everything as a best friend, and life is just so good, so peaceful when I'm around my mom. Time to deliver a cake. Balancing work and daily life is hectic sometimes, but I truly love what I do. Now let me show you guys this super easy and delicious pukuri recipe. We call it pukuri or jujube or I don't know. First wash the jujube properly, then add some salt, chili powder and a little water. Let it boil nicely. While that's happening, smash some jaggery and let it melt. This is what gives the sweet, rich flavor. Once it melts, add it to the pukuri and let everything cook together. After that, just let it cool down and that's it. Sweet, spicy, tangy, literally a perfect combo. Cooking a simple dinner, aloo fry, and my mom is cooking tuna fish. Ending the day with a bowl of ice cream because why not? And of course, I had to add sprinkles because I believe even the smallest things deserves a little magic. Now I'm chilling with my dog on my bed and I'm trying to put little ribbons on his ears. He's really a stubborn dog and you can see by his reactions that he's not liking it. But as a stubborn person, I'm putting it by force because I want to click good pictures with him.